Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Harika. So first of all, today I am going to talk about the series that I'm going to start on Uipath communication mining. So before I actually go into the details of it, like why we need communication mining, all the technical details that I am going to cover in this particular series and what you will be benefited out of this particular series, I am also going to talk about the background for this initiative. So why I'm saying the background for this initiative is because this series is completely different from what all the other series you have seen on my channel, and this series is going to talk about the concepts of communication mining, the different terminologies that we use in the communication mining and all of that. So why this initiative I have made is because recently I have gone through Uipath Academy's communication mining course. I have cleared the assessment, but unfortunately it was not in the first attempt. I had to take multiple attempts. So during this process, what I have realized is, first thing, we were not having the hands-on platform. That being the reason, because hands-on definitely have a different impact of learning. Even though I was enjoying the concepts, I was learning through the course one by one, and when the end of the course, you all know there will be one knowledge check. I used to score 100% in a single attempt, but when I have to give the complete assessment as a whole, I was not able to do it in a single attempt, and also every single time retaking the assessment, the questions were different, and also I was not able to crack it because the multiple choices were also tricky. Obviously we have to be confident at the concepts, so each and everything we cannot remember. So the idea for making this video is, I'm going to talk about the concepts, the theory part of it, which is very important, because if you don't know the different modes that we use, what are the fundamentals of the model training, and what are the different stages that we have, and what different modes we use at each stage, what is performance, how the performance is identified, what are the different factors that we come across, and what percentage it has to be in order to have a total performance that we can take a stand on deploying that into production. So all of these are the different things. So even though if there is a practical platform, hands-on platform, we should be good at the concepts itself, the core concepts itself. I wanted to utilize this series as a chance to present all of these things to you in a layman terminology, and I wanted to provide as many examples as possible from my side, and also I wanted to provide some tidbits, like which you can consider as a reference for that particular concept. So let's say if I say data source, so what is a data source, right? So if a tidbit can quickly give you the hint to understand what that concept is. So I wanted to make this series in that way. So as I mentioned you, this is completely theoretical series, so I'll try to keep this series as interesting as possible with giving you enough examples to understand the concepts clearly, and also by end of each series I'll try to give you the summary of it. You can just make a note of it, and you can just refer to before your assessment, because going through the 6-hour course again before the assessment is not possible, and also it will be really helpful for you even though when you are going to do the practical hands-on, because as I mentioned you, the concepts are really very important as the concept is huge. So one more important point is communication mining is something different from what are all the products we have seen with Uipath. It's not something that we are doing in the coding, or there's nothing related to coding or drag and drop or something of that sort. It's a tool, or it's a interface where we have to train our model, right? So it's completely different. It talks about machine learning models, it talks about unsupervised learning and all of that. So if you are also someone like me who are interested in these categories of learning and wants to advance yourself with the latest technologies, then definitely do follow this particular series, and also follow my channel for new videos and updates. So I'll be posting communication mining videos soon, so to not miss any of the updates, do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.